Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to delete a folder on the OneDrive portal via Office 365 using a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, have access to an account for Microsoft Office 365. We can now start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go down to the dock. Go to Launchpad. Go to the alternative web browser, Google Chrome. Enter to open up the web browser. Wait for that to load. Once that is loaded, now let's go to office.com. And make sure that you are signed into the account. Now let's go to Applications, More Applications. Navigate to OneDrive, wait for that to load, then go to Admin, My Files, and now locate the folder that was uploaded to the portal in the previous tutorial. So there we have it on screen folder. Click on the top right corner, and now to delete this folder, go to the top toolbar. Click on delete. You therefore receive that prompt on screen that asks the question, are you sure you want to send this item to the recycle bin? Yes, we are. Click on delete. As you can see on screen, we have deleted one item. Now let's go to the recycle bin. To have that folder permanently deleted, and there's no way of recovering this folder once deleted, click on the folder, click on delete. We then receive another prompt on screen asking the question, are you sure you want to delete this item folder from the recycle bin? Click on delete, and there we go. One item deleted from the recycle bin. Go back to My Files. Folder is no longer in existence. We can now quit Google Chrome. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.